Morning everybody, welcome. So this is this weekend when I'm putting a video on. So this is a current state of the bike. Now the last couple of videos, they were done freaking ages ago, to be fair. I've just been splicing them together. And this one's going to be a really short one because I've lost loads of the video that I did somehow or other. I must have deleted it, or Christ knows, it's not there anyway. So very short video this. Yeah, you don't really see exactly what happens, but you know, it is what it is, and it is what it is. So let's do it. This is doing the switch gear on the bike. Okay, so I'll catch up with you at the end of this. So this is the very current state of the bike. This is the switch gear that we just did, and yeah, it turned out really nicely actually. As you can see, I think it looks pretty good. It looks a lot better than it did anyway, doesn't it? There was lots of pitting and corrosion on them, and they've turned out great. Couple of bit of money spent here then. So the money spent on the spray for that and the stickers as well. And also I had to put a new throttle cable on there. The old one, where's the old one? Look at the old one. Focus. I didn't know this obviously until I did it. It was a bit sticky, and the metal cable was worn through the plastic there, and someone's put a bit of tape around it, but that's no good. So that was too sticky, so we had to buy a new throttle cable for it. Look, that's all of the bits we've got left to put on the bike. It's not bad, is it? So this is the current state of the bike. The engine was done, you know, the engine was done. All of the handlebars, I went back to the original handlebars. Yeah, sorry for those that like the big tall ones, but they were a bit too big for me. So you can see, focus in there, you can see they're a bit sort of pitted where the rust has got into them, but I cleaned them up and they look pretty good, to be fair. So they're not so bad. So we've gone back to original. Got front brake. Oh, I'll tell you what, awesome. Yeah, so this is the current state of the bike at the minute. Okay, so this is exactly where we are at this moment in time. Yeah, we're getting there, aren't we? We're getting there slowly but surely. So, I don't know. I'm going to get something else done this evening, I think. I'm going to, later on tonight, I might start putting all of this, the headlight back in it and all of these wires back together and that kind of thing. And then we'll have a think about what we're going to do next. We're running out of things to do, really, aren't we? Fabulous. I'm rambling. I'll tell you what, I'm going to go and I'll speak to you soon.